going to talk about the water-sulfur cycle. The water-sulfur cycle is a collection of processes in which sulfur moves from rock to waterways and living systems. They affect many minerals. Biochemical cycles are also important for life, because sulfur is an essential element being constituted of many proteins and cofactors. The factors that we need to follow, or that it follows the process of it, is that the mineralization of organic sulfur into organic forms, such as hydrogen sulfide and element sulfur, as well as sulfide minerals. Other one is the oxidation of hydrogen sulfide. Other one is the reduction of sulfide to sulfide. And the other one is incorporation of sulfide into organic compounds, including metal-containing derivatives. And that's the water cycle, and it happens that, and it goes on and on and on. Thank you.
Sulfur is one of the components that make up proteins and vitamins. Proteins consist of amino acids that contain sulfur atoms. Sulfur is important for the function of proteins and enzymes in plants, and in animals that depend upon plants for sulfur. Plants absorb the sulfur when it is dissolved in water. Animals consume those plants so that they can maintain their health. Most of the Earth's sulfur is tied up in rocks and salt or buried deep in the ocean sediments. Sulfur can also be found in the atmosphere. It enters through the atmosphere by natural resources or human resources. The natural resources can be, for instance, volcanic eruptions, bacterial process, evaporation from water, or decaying organisms. And by human activity is mainly consequence of industrial process where sulfur dioxide and hydrogen sulfide gases are emitted on a wide scale. When sulfur dioxide enters to the atmosphere, it reacts with the oxygen to produce sulfur trioxide gas, or with other chemicals in the atmosphere. All these particles will settle back onto Earth or react with rain and fall back into Earth as acid deposition.